that was quite simple. And lastly, we have plugins, and these plugins we use for different one doubt. I'll close this and search again to list all the icon related plugins we have. So I didn't have to press enter this time, and all the plugins we had have loaded now. Among them, Icons 8 is a very popular option for us, and besides that, we also have Microsoft Icons. And similarly, there are the various different plugins that we can make use of. For example, I will select icon 8. Upon clicking on this, we are presented with the option to either install or save. If we proceed to click on run, the icon 8 plugin will then be loaded for us. I guess it will load for us in just a matter of seconds. And that the tools, alternatively, this plugin will be installed, and from here we can easily import various icons. We can search for different icons right here. For example, I will search for apples. If I click on Apple, the arrow will set at our field, then we will get the Apple logo and various other shapes. Or more, apart from Apple, will also become available to us, and different relevant options, icons that are related to our search will also appear for us. So, in this manner, we can make use of different plugins. This was just a plugin we had, and of course, with UCCK, we also have this icon here. Or if you want to remove this comment, by the way, we can simply delete it. We'll mark it as delete or resolve, and now our comment has been cleared and we've marked it as resolved. Next, I'll explain that we have options for both drawing and design, like but let's proceed with the design option. We don't often use the draw option. To utilize it, we need to have a tablet. Even then, we'll have the advantage that if we want to draw something, we can create and draw it with these tools. We also have a brush tool similarly, but usually we don't tend to look at these tools. Primarily on the major portion that we cover and focus on is the design. Following that, we have what's called the dev mode. This dev mode is typically utilized by developers who access our Figma files, and they then proceed to utilize that specific portion. So we primarily need to complete 95% or even more of our work within the design phase itself. All the tasks we need to perform must be done within that specific portion, that very section, that mode. Then we have one Canva will have a different mode, and we'll look at that mode right now. First, we're currently in the design section, and within that we're on design, and then we also have prototype. The prototype feature is for aligning different frames together, and that particular aspect is not within the scope of this course at this moment. So for the time being, we will simply skip this point. We will primarily be focusing our attention on the design aspect. Perhaps in the future we might cover that